Hey everyone, this is Kellen from Electric Wheelchairs USA. In this video, we're going to go over a product called the Evaluation Evolution. Now, this is a folding electric wheelchair that can support 400 pounds of weight. It has a 17-mile battery range. It's airline approved. The seat is made of leather, and it's got a great price point, just over $2,000 at the time of this video. And best of all, it is an auto folding electric wheelchair. There's not many of them on the market. So let's get into it. All right, so the Evaluation Evolution, it does have an attendant remote. And that's how I folded it when I walked out of the screen. So in order to unfold it, there's a couple steps you have to do. You have to turn it on and sync it to the joystick, and then you have to hit this button, which will allow it to get into that mode where you can unfold it. So I'm going to unfold it by holding down this up arrow. If I let go of it, it's going to stop midway. So I have to hold it the whole time. And for now, I'm just going to turn this off. And we'll start at the back, and I'll show you more of these features. So on the back, normally there is a little storage back here. We got two motors. Right now they're in the drive position. If you were to run out of battery for some reason, you needed to push this manually, you have to press both of these forward and to neutral, and then also turn off the joystick. And when you do that, now you can push the chair like a manual wheelchair. You can also, if you want to stretch your legs, you could get up and just kind of push it around and use it as a walker. But it will not operate if it's in this neutral position. So you have to push both of these back into drive, and now it's locked. You've got your anti-tip wheels here, and we also have these two spring suspensions. Gives a little bit of give when you're going over different bumps. The tires are flat-free tires, not air-filled. And then on the front, we also have a spring suspension on each of the front wheels. You've got a flip-up foot plate, and you get in and out of the seat. We do have a storage compartment right here. This is your other storage, so it's a zipper compartment. Right now we have the charger in there. It's a good idea to put that and probably the remote control. So we'll zip that up for now. We also have a spring suspension here as well for additional give. So we have a total of 6 springs on this chair. And again, this is made out of leather. The seat has a nice stitching. When I remove this, I can actually adjust how firm or soft I want the seat to be. So if I pull this up, I can access these, and these are just Velcro straps, so you can make this loose or more firm to your preference. You can also do that on the seat back.
Hey, quick announcement. Just wanted to let you know we are giving away a free mobility scooter. In order to be eligible for the giveaway, all you have to do is subscribe to our YouTube channel, and then also comment on any video. It can be this video or it can be any video on our channel. Once you do those 2 things, you'll be eligible for our next giveaway. We are doing this monthly, and we will announce this on all of our social media platforms when the winner is announced. So just wanted to let you know. Now back to the video.
Here's a seat belt that also comes standard. So on the seat back, if I pull it up from here, you can come around here in the back. I'll show you. I can adjust how firm or loose I want the seat back to be as well. We also have 2 zipper arm bags on each side for additional storage. These armrests also flip up. Just press these buttons here, and this helps with transfers in and out of the seat.
So when you order a product that's made by Discover Your Mobility, you actually get a lot of free stuff that comes with it. And I'm going to go over that with you real quick. So what you're going to receive is an umbrella, which can be mounted to your mobility scooter or electric wheelchair. You're also going to get touch-up paint. You're going to receive an arm bag holder that can go on the armrest. you're going to get a cup holder. Now this cup holder is for a mobility scooter, and this cup holder is for the electric wheelchair. You're going to get a cane holder. You're going to get a safety flag. You're going to get an oxygen tank holder. You're going to get a car charger. And you're going to get a headlight, and this is also a horn as well. And you're going to get a cover. So you get all this stuff for free. Share that with you. Now back to the video.
It does come with 2 batteries, which gives you that 17-mile range. So if I remove this battery, you can actually charge this off of the unit. So you can charge it directly on the joystick, or you can charge it on the battery. And because this is airline approved, it's a good idea it's kind of hard to remove the batteries if you fold it. So if you're going to fold it to give us an airline, you want to take the battery out and now fold the chair. You can do it on the remote control, which I just showed you, or you can do it directly on the joystick. Let's see, I can hit that, and I hit the horn button. Now it's going to automatically close. So now at this point, you got the battery out of there, and this is what you would give to the airline when you're flying. So let me unfold this. Let's hit that. You see 1 dot, hit the horn. Now it's going to unfold from the joystick. There's not many auto folding electric wheelchairs in the market. This is one of the few. And the fact that it can support 400 pounds of weight and the price point makes it very enticing to a lot of people. So I'm going to put this back on the track here. There, now we're locked in. Now I'll show you the joystick. It's pretty simplistic, but we have your power button, so you turn it on. You got your horn, speed control, and of course the fold and unfold, which I just showed you. So in order to pair the joystick with this, you have to turn this on first and then hold this down for about 4 seconds. Now that I've done that, I can use it as an attendant remote. And this remote actually gives you a pretty good range. So I'll show you how far it'll go. I think I probably could have gone further than that, but it's probably about 60 yards, maybe 100 yards. Now you can also fold it and unfold it from this as well. You see there's other buttons here. There's an L, B, R. These don't do anything, but these arrow buttons will adjust the speed control. So you can do it directly on the joystick, or I can do it on the remote. So if I'm hitting this down arrow, you can see the speed control is being adjusted. I can honk the horn from here. And if I want to fold it, I want to tap this once. It's blinking, and then I want to hold this arrow. So on the joystick, all you have to do is tap. You have to hold that down, hit the horn just 1 time, and it's going to automatically fold. This, you can control it, so I have to hold this the whole time. So I'm just pressing it. It's going to fold slightly. And when you are folding it, I would probably fold up the foot plate first before you fold it. So you can see you can easily do it this way. You can also set it upright. This is good for storage. Also, when you unfold it, you have to make sure you lay it flat. Like I wouldn't want to unfold it from here because it's going to fall over. So you want to lay it back down flat, and I'm holding the up arrow at this point to let it unfold.
Hey, I just want to let you know real quick, we do have a physical catalog that we can send to you, and it is free. It's not of all of our products, but it is of our top sellers. You can give us a call at the number below and just provide your information to the representative that answers, and we'll get it sent out to you. You can also click on free catalog at the top of our website. Just fill out that short form and submit it, and once we've received that information, you'll receive that catalog in about 10 days. All right, back to the video.
So it's an all-around great chair. Again, I like that it can support 400 pounds of weight, and that it's an auto folding chair, and it's a great price point. So if you have any questions about the Evaluation Evolution, give us a call. We're open every day. We have agents on standby. Our phone number is 1-800-682-9444, or just visit us at electricwheelchairsusa.com. Thanks for watching. Have a good day, guys.